Hey guys, this is Quick Oil and Brake. Today I'm working on Hyundai Quad 2020. Today I'm changing engine oil on this vehicle, and I start up the car almost 5 minutes to warm up the engine. And also I lift the car jack up, and I put jack stand underneath, and excuse me, I'm gonna start draining the engine oil. But the first thing, I have to turn off the engine. Then what you have to do, you have to pull the dipstick and open the cap, and the tools and the parts what you need for oil change. You need a 17 millimeter socket, ratchet, the wrench to open a oil filter, and a oil filter I'm using a original Honda. And also you need the drain plug crush washer. Remember, you have to replace every time when you changing engine oil. It's better is the company recommended, all the manufacturers are recommended each time you replacing engine oil, you have to replace drain plug washer. Okay, so let's start to drain engine oil. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, so this is under the car. There's a shield, but you don't need to replace the splash shield under the car. So this is a drain plug, and for removing oil filter, you have to replace this shield. This has a 3 plugs. You have to use a flat screwdriver to open these. So I'm gonna start removing these, and I will get back to you. Okay, so this is under the car. There's a shield, but you don't need to replace the splash shield under the car. So this is a drain plug, and for removing oil filter, you have to replace this shield. This has a 3 plugs. You have to use a flat screwdriver to open these. So I'm gonna start removing these, and I will get back to you. Okay, so as you see, I put a new drain plug washer and a new filter ready to install, and I drained the oil. So now you can see the oil stop dripping anymore. So I'm gonna put back the oil drain plug, and also install the new air filter. Okay guys, now it's time to install a oil filter. I've been telling all the my always when you installing a oil filter, make sure the old oil filter seal not stick with the body. Sometime they that stick with the body, so make sure it's cleared, nice and clean. And also when you installing, make sure the seal has with the new oil filter. These two things always remember before you installing a oil filter. So now and never tie too much. It's only with the hand tight. That's it. And the drain plug, you need to use torque wrench. If you have it, it's a 33 foot-pound. If you don't have, so tight enough, so you don't need to worry about having a torque wrench. So I'm gonna tighten this one, and I'll get back to you. Okay, I put the oil filter, and also you can see I put the shield back on. So now it's ready for a new oil. So I'm gonna put the new oil. So I'm using a 0W20 full synthetic. This is a 1.5 motor, and we're gonna use almost 4 quad. Okay. Okay, I put oil inside. I didn't put exact 4 quart, so I'm gonna run the engine about 10 second or 15 second. Then I'm gonna check the level. I don't want to overfill, so let me. Okay, I'm gonna start the engine. So I'm gonna run about 10 seconds. So after that, I'm gonna check the level, and I'm gonna show you on up to which level should vehicle has. Sometimes people overfill, which is not good. So right now this is the level. You have to make sure the level should reach the second mark, never be over the second mark. So always make sure, because if you overfill, your gaskets, valve cover gasket, and some other gasket seals start leaking. So the oil has been done, and also I'm gonna post my next video regarding oil filter, but I'll show you how to open a air filter box. There's one clip like this and one here, so you have to slide forward to pull air filter box and remove this one, the air filter. Okay, yeah, the air filter should be like this, so this needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna make another video how to replace air filter for a Honda Accord 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video and learn something new today. If you like it, please like my video and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.